Let's see what we got, guys. Wait a minute, I can't see. All right. Was I had or not, guys? Let's see. Whoa! Hell yeah, I'll take it. I didn't think it was gonna be that much. 148, guys. All right, how many of y'all guess? How many of y'all guess 148? You know what's weird? I got a truckload of the same amount still at the shop waiting on me, guys. Let's get it. I'm done, guys. That's all I have for this video. Challenging situation, like I say. I love junk. I love what I do, man. You got to love what you do. Any kind of what's on the radio? Hey, round and round, I'm getting it. A perfect song. Guys, I'm out of here. I can't let this play because I'm monetized, but I'll see y'all. All right, guys. Here's the other load. All right, I got a fresh, clean truck. Got room for the rest of this. What else is over here? Another Hemi over here. Some heads and a transfer case. He's going to get the forklift, guys. So y'all know what? Let's get it, baby. I love extra free money. It's not really free, but they was gonna call somebody to come out here and get it. I was like, no, wait. I'll take it. All right, let me go get my freshly. Look at that truck. Nice and clean. Nothing's on the rear. I just dropped off a load. Y'all saw that. Saw that little amount that I got. Every little bit helps. Hey, they forgot a water pump. Jive suckers. All right, we finna load up another row. Let's get it. Pull up some. Dr. P gave it to me. We never could get it fixed. He's like, come get this piece of junk. I'm like, I'll take it. What, my Nissan? My PT? What about it? I said, it looks like no PT truck. I said, you ride with it? No, I just dropped off a junk load. What's wrong with it? Oh, it's got transmission issues. I don't know. I don't care. I ain't fixing it. You can find up another junk truck. What else is it? My Nissan? Yeah. It's down there on the flat. Y'all want to get us an air tank. Why don't y'all get us an air tank? Y'all stop stealing that shit. That's what they said. We keep stealing it. They're like 40, 50 bucks. Sitting at somebody's shop right now. For what? When they get a flat? Yeah. I don't know what you're talking about. Shut up. Man, what was wrong with this 2.4, man? I want Norman replaced. It was a smoker or a burner? That's the one you replaced. No, Matt replaced that. Oh man! There you go. I just took 4. Was it 5? going too? What that mean? Two for the price of one. This guy's good.
Hey, you even got cylinder head on top of the side. That's extra.
A bonus. Two for the price of one. Not right now. We tied up right
You
now.
got a 2.7 and a 3.6.
Hey, put that Jeep right there.
You got a 27, 36, 57, man.
What that mean?
27, 36, 57.
Oh yeah. Firing order.
No, 27, 36, 57. Dude, run those fucking numbers in the lottery, man. You might win some. Now look at me. He's like, fuck this, let me run this around. What they tell you over there, man? A few times a day.
They close at 3, so I can't go back. I just left.
One day it is.
Damn.
Almost lost your mom on prices and shit.
It was
See, shit's like $1.50 a moment.
a dollar at the dollar store. Oh, I just went down a notch. What the hell?
That's an lowrider. One of them said a Nissan and shit.
Push, push, push. All right. Yeah, that's good. That was staying, Pete? Oh, I gotta move out the way then. Oh, your man's gotta go too.
Everything gotta go.
Hey, Pete, man, I gotta go.